How to enable dynamic island in iPhone? To enable dynamic island on an iPhone, it must be supported model currently. Apple only includes this feature on certain iPhones. So iPhones with built-in dynamic island, you do not need to enable it manually. It is built into the system and always active on iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, 15, 15 Plus, and the latest versions. If you have one of these models, dynamic island will automatically show you incoming calls, timers, music controls, Face ID, earbuds connection, screen recording, and many more. So currently I'm screen recording, so my dynamic island is showing this red dot available here. So basically I did not install any of the software or features. It is the built-in system. But whenever I go to the Face ID option, like let me just open the Facebook app first of all, it will show the Face ID icon at the dynamic island. So that is it. It interacts with dynamic island whenever the phone is going through something. If your phone does not have it, then unfortunately you will need to get a newer version of iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.